So what's our target?
The tower.
What about the tower?
We're gonna tip the tower.
We're gonna tip the tower.
I like it.
Wait, how are we gonna tip the tower?
I have a plan.
First, we're gonna need a CAD model. Oh wait, and drawings too.
Next, let's use the water jet for the fin and wedges, which we're going to use to tip the tower.
I will sign up for mill and lathe so we can start working on the chassis and the couplings.
Finally, we can laser cut acrylic to create a base for our machine and make sidearms to collect balls off the arena. And that's pretty much all there is to it.
So what are we going to call our team?